In the last video we had seen how to build a single context agent, and now in this video we'll learn after building the agent how we can integrate in any system. Okay, how you can publish it, okay, how you can use it, just like we had tested in the browser here. But if you want this I want to implement in our server, how you can do this? So in this, if you'll see, there is a multiple tabs here. Okay, so in the analysis you'll see each and every calls has been getting analyzed here, how many calls for this agent has been done, how many completed call, and what the average latency it's taking, and how is the flow for it. If you see, there is a little complex flow it had built. You can see how the tools has been getting associated with it, and how the calls has been getting ended, and the post call analysis, everything. And when you come to the publish, so if you see here, we are providing the API keys for that. Okay, you can use our API key to make the call, and also if you want somewhere, if you want to implement a web based call, web browser or in-app call that you want to implement, so you can use this system. Okay, so if whenever you will hit on this API, then in the response you will get a session ID and WebSocket URL. By this you need to connect with this WebSocket URL, and then call has been getting connected, and your spec will started receiving on our server, and accordingly the agent will respond to you. This is the chat API. If you want to implement a chat, just like if you want to something chat interface the user to the user that you want to provide, so you can use this particular API. In this, if you see, the session ID will send you at every message, and this is the reply, and this is the turn. And if you want to use something identifier, so you can use it. So in the tool calling, whenever I'll call that particular tool, so in that we'll send that identifier key who is talking at your end. So accordingly you can find according to that user the data in your database and send to the AI, and AI will respond on it. And we also providing some SDK, so through the SDKs you can also implement, just like you need to install npm install Telenow server, and for the Python you need to do pip install Telenow, and for the Rust you can just use key cargo add, just like search JSON and or Tokyo F, and yeah, you can use this. And we are also providing some documentation, so you can use our docs also for the implementation. If you'll see, this is the whole the documentation, and whenever it will come down, if you'll see, this is the SDKs overview. So in that we are providing SDKs for the web, for the React, and this is for the iOS plus Android React Native. This is for the backend, and if you had backend in the Node Bun is, so for that you can use this, and this is for the Python. Okay, and the whole the details in detail if you want to see, so this is the just like for the web and React SDKs, how you can use it in your code base. So just go through with it, and if you had something, if you want somewhere you will need some sorts of information or some guidance, so just comment it out, or some devs will reach out to you. Okay, and you can also use our this one feedback, and you can give the feedback as how you can make it more easy, or if you had find some bugs, so you can also attach that here, and as very priority basis will solve that. Okay, so for now this is the thing, and in the activity you will see whatever the number of the call will be happened, you can see it here. And this is the versioning part, so whatever the changes you will made in the future, so each and every time will upgrading that version. Okay, and you can also compare what has been getting changed and what the performance has been impacted on every call. Okay, so if I had made some changes, so in that what the average response and the duration, and how the LLM had behaving, and in the previous what has been happening, so you can also do the rollback versioning if you'll require. And yeah, so this is the thing, and we'll build the video uh, in the next part, how we can build any multi-context level agent. So also we can convert single context agent to multi context agent via the clicking on the edit on the canvas. And you can also, whatever the agent that you had built, so you can also publish it as a template. So whatever the, in future if you want to use the same template for the other agent, so you can utilize that template. You will not go need to set up everything from the scratch by the using the template. And we had the two type of template setting. So one is that is limited to your workspace only, and if you want to release to the public marketplace, the template section, in the template section, that will require some sorts of approval. So you can apply for that. The admin will verify that all the template, and it will release to the marketplace. Yeah, for now this is the thing, just see. And if you want to some more information, just comment it out. We'll build the video over it as well. For now, thank you very much watching this video.